Are you ready to master biology? Then let's dive in, here we go! Hey! The scientific method, a logical process. Used to explore nature, solve problems, no stress. We start with observation, see a pattern arise. Ask a question, look deeper with curious eyes. Then comes the hypothesis, a testable claim. A prediction or guess, not always the same. Experiment comes next to try it and see. Change one thing, that's the independent key. What you measure, that's dependent. True, control group, it's the one you don't skew. Then analyze your data, look what it shows, and draw a conclusion, that's how science goes. Life is built on elements and molecules, tiny parts of matter that follow set rules. Atoms combine, H2O or CO2, making up everything, even me and you. Covalent bonds share electrons tight, ionic bonds transfer day or night. Hydrogen bonds are weak but key, they hold up water and DNA beautifully. Water is polar with traits that shine, high heat capacity, cohesion in line. Adhesion sticks to other things too, and it dissolves stuff, it's the solvent that's true. pH scale tells if it's base or acid, buffers keep it stable, now that's classic. Of life so small, it powers and builds and organizes all. Prokaryotic cells, no nucleus found. Eukaryotic ones have organelles all around. Nucleus stores DNA and runs the show. Mitochondria make ATP flow. Ribosomes build proteins on the ER line, and Golgi ships them out just fine. Lysosomes clean up, digesting the waste. Chloroplasts in plants use sunlight with grace. The plasma membrane controls the gate with phospholipids, regulate what's in the state. Transport types, let me throw. Passive needs no energy, like osmosis flow. ATP for energy, that's what we need. The cell's currency to fuel every deed. Photosynthesis in chloroplast makes the food. Sunlight to glucose, that's the mood. Starts with light reactions, then Calvin's plan to build the sugar, that's how it ran. Cellular respiration flips the game. In mitochondria, glucose brings flame. Glycolysis breaks it down real quick. Krebs cycle spins at 8 density sticks. When there's no O2, it's anaerobic play. Like fermentation, saving the day. DNA, deoxyribonucleic base. Double helix twisted sets the pace. ATCG, that's how they pair. The code of life is written there. DNA replication copies it tight, so every new cell gets the info right. Transcription in the nucleus writes the song. Transcription in ribosome brings proteins along. Genes hold traits like eye or skin. Alleles are the versions you find within. Chromosomes, you got 46. DNA wrapped up in tidy sticks. Mendel taught inheritance, truth, dominance, segregation, assortment for proof. Use Punnett squares to guess the gene. Probabilities clear and clean. Good job, take a moment to sit, breathe. Cells divide, that's how we grow. Two main types you need to know. Mitosis makes two cells the same. For growth and repair, that's its game. Meiosis makes gametes, a special set. 4 unique cells, no clones yet. Mitosis runs a 4-part show. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, go. But in meiosis, gene swap place. Crossing over boosts gene race. If errors hit this cell routine, they can cause mutations on the gene. Evolution says species change. Over time they rearrange. Darwin saw how traits survive when the fit stay strong and thrive. Natural selection picks the best traits that help outlast the rest. Variation comes through genes, from mutations and mixin scenes. Adaptations help you live in the niche the planet gives. Speciation splits the line, one becomes two over time. What's the proof? Let's take a look. Fossils, bones, and DNA books. Ecology is nature's link, life and environment. stop and think. Starts with organisms standing alone, then populations, communities grown. Next comes ecosystem, then biosphere. That's the whole world, far and near. Energy flows from sun to plant. Producers feed what herbivores want. Consumers eat, then decomposers break. In every food chain, give and take. Food webs show the paths not straight, where energy moves at every rate. Trophic levels lose some heat, only 10% is passed to eat. Cycles keep the earth just right. Water, carbon, nitrogen in flight. Populations rise until they stall. At carrying capacity they may fall. Limiting factors hold them back, like food or space or predator attack. Homeostasis keeps things tight, stable inside just right. Feedback loops are how it's done, like a thermostat set to run. Negative feedback brings it back, fixes highs or lows off track. Positive feedback builds a chain, like birth or clots that must remain. Systems team up in harmony, like nervous, endocrine, excretory. They regulate your body's flow to keep things balanced head to toe. 8 examples make it clear to see. Body temp, pH, and H2O for me. In the lab we start with sight. Microscopes make cells look right. Staining lets the details pop, so structure study doesn't stop. To test a claim, design it clean. Hypothesis and clear routine. Control your variables, keep it tight. Repeat the steps to prove you're right. Graphs help data speak its mind. Line graphs show how trends unwind. Bar graphs help compare with ease.